everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sachi and today we're going to be talking about one of the periodic table elements called calcium. So let's talk more about it. So what is calcium? Calcium is a chemical element with a symbol Ca and the atomic number 20. Classified as an alkaline earth metal, calcium is a solid at room temperature. In room temperature, it is shiny, silvery, white, solid metal. Common calcium-containing minerals is calcium carbonate, found in limestone, chalk, marble, and more. It was discovered by Humphrey Davy in 1808. It is known since ancient times because of its presence in various minerals, like limestone and gypsum. It was also used historically. Now let's talk about some facts about the element calcium. It's the fifth abundant metal on Earth's crust. Its melting point is 842 degrees Celsius. On the other hand, its boiling point is 1,484 degrees Celsius. It's malleable, meaning it is capable of being shaped or bent. It is harder than lead, but can be cut by a knife if you put in some effort. Its density of 1.55 grams per centimeter cubed is the lowest in its group. It's also a good conductor of heat and electricity. The metal is ductile, meaning it can be drawn into thin wires. The metal calcium has 20 electrons, 20 protons, and 20 neutrons. Now let's briefly talk about the structure of an atom. Yellow spheres represent the protons. Orange spheres represent the neutrons, and the small white spheres represent the electrons in a diagram. The nucleus contains of the protons and the neutrons, densely packed together, and the electrons surrounding the nucleus. The protons is always having a positive charge. On the other hand, electrons has a negative charge. Neutrons have a neutral charge, meaning it doesn't have a negative nor positive charge. So now let's talk about why is it essential. Calcium is essential for plants' growth and has a huge role in human health, particularly in bone formation. Your heart, muscles, and nerves also need calcium to function properly. It also assists with nerve messaging between the brain and body systems, releasing hormones and enzymes that support body functions. Also, in X-ray scans and CT scans, the presence of calcium compounds in bones makes it easier to identify the problem in the body, perhaps like bone tumors. Now let's talk about calcium's uses. Calcium-containing fertilizers like calcium phosphate supplements soil calcium levels and improves soil structure as well. In steelmaking, calcium is added as a deoxidizer and desulfurizing agent. It helps remove impurities like oxygen and sulfur, improving the quality and the property of the steel provided. Calcium is highly reactive and calcium compounds are often used in fireworks. The distinctive orange and red emits when burned. Now let's talk about the most important thing, the reactions. Calcium is highly reactive to water. When calcium comes in contact with water, white bubbly gas comes outside as hydrogen, and in the end, the remains form as calcium hydroxide. On the other hand, calcium oxide is formed when calcium combines with oxygen. When calcium and oxygen reacts, it forms a white solid called calcium oxide. The reaction happens quickly and produces heat and light, often making the calcium burn with a bright white flame. It is the same with calcium when it reacts to fire. The heat just helps speed the reaction. One last thing, the fun fact. Did you know that jellyfish and algae utilize calcium to produce a bioluminescent light? That's actually true. Okay, so thank you for watching this video and remember to subscribe. Bye!